Hello once again, thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Today I have a walking foot. This is a nice piece of tool for the home machines, specifically made for home machines. This is a genetic brand, you know, they have all kind of brand. They got Singers, they got Brothers, they got Berninas, they got everything, but this is just a genetic one, and I'm gonna show you how to install it and how to use it. It's a nice tool if you're gonna do some leathers on a portable machine like this one. Here I have a Singer heavy duty machine. I'm going to install this foot on it and I'm going to show you. It's important for you to know that here, right here, if you're looking at the foot like this, right here, this is where your screw is going to go. The screw that actually holds the foot is this one right here, because people get confused all the time. So when you're going to install it, make sure you install it and the screw is going to go on that side. This piece that you see here, that is called the fork, this one here, what it does actually brings, when the needle goes up and down, it activates the walking foot. That clamp is gonna go into the needle screw. So when the needle goes up and down, that's how gonna activate the walking foot system on it. So I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna show you how to put it together, and I'm gonna do some testing. Let's see if you could improve the stitching while you're doing leather with this nice little tool called the walking foot. Okay, here's the foot. I'm going to install the foot. It's very important that I have the needle on this position here, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, the clamp goes into the needle screw just like that, and then I'm going to install my foot screw on the left side. Okay, see, while I turn the wheel, that foot screw you see here, that clamp screw, it's actually moving and activating the foot on the bottom. Install the presser foot, and I show you now. You see where that clamp, the white clamp, that it's connected to the actually needle screw. When I move the needle up and down, that's what activated the actually foot mechanism. Using a leather needle for the home machines. These needles we have it in a stack, so I'm gonna use a leather needle just to together with the actually working foot and the needle. We're gonna try it, and we're gonna show you the difference. Okay, I have just finished installing my foot, like I explained to you, that walking foot. I also put in the leather needle. It's a leather needle, you know, it has a different point on the bottom, like a knife on the bottom. I'm gonna make some stitches on it, and then I'm gonna switch the machine back to everything normal, and we're gonna see the difference. We're gonna see how different it is, the machine, when you're using the walking foot on it and when you're using the leather needle on it. And then we're gonna see how much difference they are. Okay, let's go. Okay, nice stitch. Nice and big stitches. Look at that. Nice and long. I'm gonna make it the longest stitches it makes. Wow, very nice, huh? Very strong, very heavy duty. Look at that. Let me try it on the zigzag. I never tried on the zigzag with leather, so I'm gonna make some zigzag on it. Let me try it. See what it does. Nice. Oh, actually works really good, you know, really good compared to everything else. Now I'm gonna take the foot, I'm gonna change the foot to a regular foot. I'm gonna change the needle to the regular needle, and I'm gonna make the stitches on the side of it so you can see the difference between the two different adjustments with the walking foot and the needle leather, and with the leather needle and the regular foot and the regular needle. Here's the machine now. I went back to my regular sewing foot and my regular needle. Look at this. Look at the stitches. Very, very tight. Very, very tight. But look at the stitches with the actually walking foot. You see the big difference? Look at the zigzag. Look at everything, you know. When I tried on with a regular foot, you could see here how it couldn't do exact same stitch all the time. It was changing, like here, very, very tight. But if I use the walking foot, the stitches with the zigzag, it looks all the same, and it gave you a nice long stitch all the way around. So it is worth it to buy it. It's just about, you know, between $10 and $15 that part. So I think it's worth it to buy it and use it on a regular portable home sewing. I think it's a nice tool, you know, for $15-20 maybe, in between the needles and the tool, everything together. It's a great idea, you know. I think it's worth it. It will improve the quality or your stitching on a home machine, so it's worth it to buy. We have it in stock at citysewing.com. Thank you.